Hello, Oxford families. This is a presentation regarding the NWEA MAP growth assessment that your child will be taking as a third, fourth, or fifth grader coming in the next couple of weeks. NWEA is a growth assessment. You may hear it also called the MAP test. Students in grades 3 all the way through high school will take this assessment. This test is an important tool that is used by your child's teacher to plan instruction based on the results. It is a computer adaptive test, meaning that the questions vary based on the student's responses. Your child will be taking the test in reading, math, and science. Third graders will not be taking the science assessment. There are a variety of question types. Students will answer between 40 and 50 questions. The test typically takes about an hour to finish. It can take a little longer. They can take up to 2 sittings to finish the test. Remind your child that it is okay if they don't know an answer. You should not help them answer any questions as we are trying to figure out exactly what your child knows. There are some tips that will help your child take the test at home. Make sure that your computer can be used for the MAP test. In order to do this, you need to open a Google Chrome browser session by clicking on the Google icon. Type in check.nwea.org where it says search Google or type a URL. This site will run a test on your computer. If it passes the test, the computer is ready to take the NWEA MAP. If the computer does not pass and it's a CHUH computer, please talk to your child's teacher for assistance. If it is not a CHUH computer, please contact the school to get a CHUH computer. Allow your child to take the practice test. This will help. The practice test helps your child become comfortable with navigating the test screens and become familiar with the types of questions asked. You need to open the Google Chrome browser session by clicking on the Google icon. Type in test.nwea.org where it says search. You may get an oops message about pop-up blocking. Follow the instructions to allow pop-ups. In order to get started with the practice test, you want to select Try Practice Test. On the next screen, type the word GROW. For both the username and password, click the blue arrows. On the next screen, select your child's grade and subject, either reading or math. Select English as the language, and then check the text-to-speech box for math only. Click on the blue arrows at the bottom of the screen to move to the next question. Students cannot go back to the previous question. Use the navigation bar at the top of the screen to hear questions in the math assessment. Enlarge the screen or use the tools. Helping your child on the day of the test is very important. Please make sure your child gets plenty of rest the night before and has breakfast that morning. Provide a place for them to test that is quiet and free of distractions. Make sure they have scrap paper and a pencil. On the computer, your child will need to have 2 Google Chrome browsers open for the Google Meets video chat with the teacher and for the MAP test. In order to get logged into the test, the teacher will provide you with instructions for starting the video chat. The teacher will provide the session name and session password. They will need to be typed in, and then you will click the blue arrow. On the next screen, your child should select their name from the drop-down list, then click on the blue arrow. Confirm the name, grade, and birth information, and click the Yes button. Once your child starts the test, let them work at their own pace. Remember, they cannot go back for any questions. They can only move forward. If your child needs a break, they should let their teacher know using the video chat. Once your child has answered the last question, the test will complete and their score will be shown. You may then close the testing browser and report back to the teacher using the video chat for any additional instructions. Please remember that you may not help your child with any of the questions on the assessment. If you have questions, please contact your child's teacher. They can help you with any MAP testing questions. Please look for dates and times from your child's teacher regarding when you will be taking the MAP assessment. Thank you very much and have a good day.